everyone, it's Amit Sharma, PhD scholar at IIT Delhi. Today I will tell you some methods by which we can earn some money online. So I am not going to tell you some cheap tricks or risky tricks like making team on Dream 11 or doing random click on some website. I am going to tell two genuine methods by which you can make you can earn some money if you have good knowledge. So this video is for everyone, especially for those who are planning to do masters or PhD or currently preparing for any exams and need some extra money for their expenses. So I'm going to tell about Chegg and second about Bartleby Buy. So what are these platforms? Provide they basically pay you for solving questions, online questions. You have to solve a question and they will pay you for that. So we will going to discuss everything about those, what are the payments, how they pay you, and how can you solve questions and how can you upload. So first we will talk about Chegg. So Chegg is very good website and very reliable. So this website pays you some amount for per questions. The amount will vary according to your subject. Like for physics they will pay you around 85 rupees. I am telling in Indian currencies, they may vary according to different countries. So for chemistry same 87 for per question. Maths, so in maths there are many categories like basic math, algebra, calculus. So the price rate is different. For example, for basic algebra they will pay you 50, and for other maths they will pay you around 75, and for advanced calculus they will pay you 97 for per question. If you are an engineering student like me, you are from mechanical, electrical, civil or electronics, so they will pay you basically around 168 to 184 per question. This will depend upon the quality of your questions. They will check your quality regularly. If your quality is good, means they will check it by some parameter CF score. If your CF score is above 80, then you will get 184 per question. If above 75 and below 80, then you will get 176, and if it is below 70%, 65%, then you will get 168 per question. So computer science they will pay you even higher, around 179 per question. So payment date, they will pay you on monthly cycle. You will get payment 15th of each month of previous month payment. Like if you solve questions in April, then all the payment of all questions will be paid on 15th of May. So you will get basically payment of previous month on next month 15th. So 15th of each month. I will also tell you about the recruitment process. How can you register? So basically, one thing is that you don't have to pay any registration fees, any form fees for the age. You just have to register on their website. For Chegg, you have to register on expert hiring, Chegg expert registration. So there will be two tests. One will be for your subject test, and other will be guideline test. Subject test is simple in Chegg. Basically around, if you are engineering student, then it will be objective paper having 12 questions, and you will get unlimited time. You can solve in 1 day, 2 day, and also the level of questions is below GATE. So if you have good basic knowledge of your engineering, then you can easily pass, and the passing criteria is also very low. You have to get around more than 50% to pass this subject. And after this subject, they will give you a PDF of their guidelines, that how should you solve a question, what to do, what not to do while solving questions. So you have to read that PDF, and then again they will give you a guideline test. So guideline test will be 20 to 25 questions, and you have to get 90%. They will give you 3 attempts for guideline test and 2 attempts for subject test. So these tests are very easy if you have good knowledge of any subject, like you can register in any physics, chemistry, math, engineering. So the one thing I think that most of people register, they don't continue on check. The one reason is question time. The maximum question came around 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Indian time. So if you are trying to solve questions at daytime, then you will get very hard questions. Or the one important thing is you can skip as many as questions on check. So it is not necessary that you should know all questions to do. And also you will get 2 hours for solution. You will get 2 hours to solve a question, and you can take help from your notes, formula sheet, book. So, and you can skip as many questions as you can. Suppose you will see a question and you don't know the answer, you can skip it. You can skip again. You can skip 10 questions, 12 questions, 50 questions, and you should attempt a question if you are sure about it. So this is very good thing. You don't need to know all things. You can be selective very. Means if you have like say, if you are from mechanical engineering and your thermodynamics is good, then you can skip questions, and when you see a thermodynamic question, you can attempt it. So now we will talk about Bartley Buy. Bartley Buy is relatively new platform, and very few people know about it. So same thing to this. In Bartley Buy you will get 168. Sorry. In Bartley Buy the payment of basic subject are much higher than Chegg. For example, in math you are getting 75 in Chegg, but in Bartley Buy you will get around 1112. Same with physics and chemistry. So per question price is little higher for physics, chemistry, math in Bartley Buy, and for engineering subject it is around 168. Same. Similar with little higher for computer science. Payment date, they will pay you around 5th to 8th of each month. Like if you solve question in April, then you will get payment around 5th to 8th May, the total question you solved in April. So registration process is little hectic, or should I say tough, in case of Bartley Buy. You have to give 2 tests for subject. You will give total 3 tests. First will be objective subject test. It is like Chegg. You will get objective questions, and you have to get around 50 to 60% to pass this test. And also they have time bound. So in Chegg the test was not time bound. You can take whatever time, but in Bartley Buy you will get fixed time for solving questions. Then you will get subjective test. If you pass objective test, then you have to solve subjective. They will give you 6 questions, and you have to answer 3 questions. So you have to solve step by step in very good handwriting for a subjective test. After that they will give you guideline test similar to Chegg. So also one thing, the hiring process is very slow in case of Bartley Buy. It may take 4 to 5 months. Means you have done all the steps, then they will confirm you after. The minimum time is 1 month, but it generally take 3 to 4 months according to their requirement. But in Chegg hiring process is much faster, If the season is going on, then you will immediately hired, and otherwise you will get around 1 to 2 months time to get your start date of solving questions. So one important thing I also tell you that the question volume is not same throughout the year. This is the one thing that we should consider. It is maximum in semester exams. When we have semester exams like November, December and April, May. So in 4 months volume will be very high, and also in case of engineering subject you will get bonus. The bonus may vary from 20 to 80%. So in these months the price of each question reach up to 250 to 300. So if you solve even 10 questions per day, then you can earn 3000. I'm just telling this that you can even earn in lakhs in these months, not throughout, in these months, and the rest of months the question volume generally remains low. So this is a very good part-time platform if you have good knowledge, and it is very means good for students who are planning to PhD or doing PhD and have financial issues. In India, most of students don't prefer PhD because the stipend is very less as compared to other countries, and means the main issue is financial. So you can earn good money with your PhD or with your masters, so you won't face any financial issues, and also your knowledge will also improve when you solve questions, because you will get to see new questions and you will try to solve them. You will look formulas or search internets for reference, so your knowledge will increase. So this is a very good platform. If you have any doubts you can comment me. So everyone which have good knowledge of basic subject should try this. Okay, thank you.